24-year-old to manage a new site. He said, देखो यार ऐसे हैं, नया साइट है, आपके हाथ में है. So being in operations, you lead from front. The only point is that we want it to be stabilized within 2 to 3 years of time. Volume होगा 10 गुना, आप देख लेना. So that is how Srini's way of working was, and that I was like little bit shocked, but उस time वही था. Many of us friends knows here. We struggled, we learned, and more important ये होता है कि लर्निंग के साथ आप अपना टीम को साथ में बढ़ाना जरूरी होता है कि टीम आप उस लर्निंग को लेते हुए आगे बढ़ेंगे तो हो सकता है वो सक्सेस हम लोग आप उस टाइम में कर पाते हैं या हमने कर दिया था. It was very tough period. There were critical things during that time. There was only one side, then we had a new building, then consents got moved on. When consents got moved on, Ashok knows it, Ashok knows it भी किया था. So the EHS manager went off from the site and fully suddenly बोला Abhilash will take care of the consent. Then it was learning experience altogether. I had been got into various different projects suddenly, but that gave me a learning. So it was a good journey which I had with Hosur, being into all the areas. They have been transferred here. Many of them have got transferred here in 2022. Before that only I got promoted in January. So January I got promoted into operations manager for Unit 1 in PCMA. Again, a typical case of एक साइड मैंने चालू करके बढ़ाया था, एक साइड बंद करने का वो है. That is how my experience been in the racket. So it was not good. That side close करना मेरे सामने, it was a typical tough time for me for 2 months because you will not be able to see people who are about 30-35 years old working in the same industry moving from the place. एक साइड से दूसरे साइड ही हो, but they are very much attached to each and every equipment. It was very tough for me dealing with those people, having a discussion directly. It was not HR who was there at the point of time, but directly उनसे बात करनी. I learned that empathy is also very much important with being in professional scenario. So again, I got transferred here in 2022. Being here into continuous improvement. जैसे यहाँ आया, I think the new tangent with the continuous improvement was RPS. So RPS उस time में चालू हुआ था. Told you need to lead in the starting phase center of South of Asia, but it was very new. उसमें कुछ किसी को idea नहीं था what was expected and how it was expected. RPS was new and we have got vacancy into it. Obviously, apart from having a polished discussion, I do not believe vacancy had a longer thought process, and it was a tough time for me. About 3-4 months they were part of it. Unit 2 team जो यहाँ पे है उनको पता है. But at the same time, the thought process was very clear from my side कि whatever tools we can use for our site which will benefit, चाहे वो हम लोग assembly लाइजर में किए हो या 5S की जर्नी चालू की है या इस तरह की जो भी टूल्स हैं हमने वही चालू किया था जो कि साइट के लिए लॉन्ग टर्म में बेनिफिट हो, because that is where the site can be benefited. And then we need to production. I got an opportunity. सर ने इसमें डिसाइड किया था उनके साथ that I now can take care of production for Unit 1 and I'm pretty happy and I thank you all sir because वो opportunity भी मेरे लिए important ये ताकि operations में impact create करने का scope ज़्यादा रहता है to make it and it's also good for me as well. Personally believe the place wherever you stay has to create an impact. वो impact जब तक नहीं है there's no point me being into that chair. So I felt operations is such a opportunity. So when I got transferred, I've taken handover from Rohit and I personally felt what would be the future scenario for the site of Unit 1. पहली बार मैंने I think January 24th या 25th मैंने हैंडल लिया था and January 25th हमारे पास ओमेगा का एक इशू आया हुआ था. So we got 60-70,000 cases of omega 601 protein which was about coding issue. संतोष यहाँ आए नहीं है but संतोष came into my cabin saying कि इसमें issue है. I said okay and then करना क्या है and end of the day we need to start laser. So New knows and Baldev, me and Santosh were there. Lakshmi was also there. We stayed here almost entire night. सुबह गए थे फिर एक लेजर चालू करके and then we came back. I came back around 3-4 hours later with Baldev and obviously it was tough time. Then we moved again and then we moved from that issue and then in March also we all know we got into an NDA. That was also a tough time for us. I critically realized it's not about only operational KPIs which gives betterment for the site. It is about long-term strategy. उस site कहाँ जाना चाहते हैं. It is irrelevant. I personally felt कि volumes या वो साइट को आगे नहीं बढ़ाएगा. हमारे thought process साइट के लिए आगे बढ़ाना बहुत ज़रूरी है. That is where I believe team of Unit 1 has been supporting with me from them. जो भी मैं बोलता था long term strategy, I think they have done. That is the positive experience which I got. हमने almost 350 से 400 बोर्ड हटा दिए थे Unit 1 से. हमने बोला कि यार 16-17 रूम खाली कर देंगे. It's not required and we have done that. But it could not been done because unless people buy in your thought process. So thought process is very important. Then we have started the journey of just making whatever is better on a day-to-day basis. वो उस दिन के लिए आगे लॉन्ग टर्म स्ट्रैटेजी को जो काम अच्छा होता है वो करने के लिए हमने उस टाइम सोच लिए थे, and we could do at least whatever we can try in the direction of that we could do. Abhi in this side, and after 3-4 months I personally felt there is an improvement which is coming in, and we've used that opportunity to do further more thought process, and maybe I feel we are in that stage, or maybe it can be taken to a next level in Unit 1. The same discussion which Ashok was also mentioning, वहाँ पे हमने पहले सोचा था कि लॉकर्स लगा देंगे. I was only adamant कि वहाँ नहीं लगाना. I said that is the only area where in future if you want to have a visit, and that will be the premium where I was very adamant to include it, but I felt it was the case which we need to be. The only point is, see, the opportunities will come for a longer scenario. You will get opportunities. You will get money. You will get everything in. Like the thing is that you need to have that long-term approach for your individual jobs. That creates you, the perseverance creates opportunities, and furthermore you get. I personally believe in that, and it is very much important for the site and for your individual goals as well. I could do whatever I could do. It may be good for many people, or it might be a scenario where I was not doing it as well. So मैंने अपने इनसे जितने भी कोशिश किया, नॉन-वायस होने की जितने भी डिसीजन से जितने भी थॉट प्रोसेस किया, you could do with non-biased condition, but if you still feel on any time or any perspective I have been harsh or I have been difficult with you, I great for that. It's not an intended one, but it was what in the heat of the moment I would have done. So that is the only point. The rest, all of you should be very proud. I personally felt that this team has got strong passion towards making things better, and we as a team of managers or maybe site leads like this can only give you an help to what can be done, but majorly आपको thought process जो shop floor में करना है वही इस site को आगे बढ़ाती है. Please continue doing that and keep the thought process, and this site for sure will achieve more milestones, and obviously keep me posted on that. So all the best, and thank you very much. इसके बाद भी अगर if you have some feedbacks to be told, I'm already available. You have my number. I'm grateful to that. Stay connected. दुनिया छोटा है, and maybe no. Thank you.